Welcome back to my channel. I will be trying out the opaque medium by Utrecht today. I believe that's how you say it. It's a heavy body acrylic medium. Here on the back it says that it dries water resistant and flexible, and you can also thin it with water. I'm trying this out because my Artist Loft professional paints are very transparent, so I'm trying to reduce the amount of layers I need to apply to my next landscape painting, since I usually have to layer up a lot, and especially when I tint my canvas. So I just want to see if it will lessen the amount of work that I need to do when I'm doing my landscape painting. So I will try this out on a black canvas so we can see how much it covers with just one layer of paint. So I'm going to get started and paint the canvas black. You will see as I apply the opaque medium that it lightens the paint some, but I don't think it's too bad because you only need to use it for the bottom two layers. Maybe it will be enough just to use it with one layer. So now that I'm done painting the canvas black, I'm sectioning it into 4 sections with painter's tape so I can try the paint the blue and the green on each side, one with the opaque medium and one without the opaque medium. I'm applying the green Artist Loft to the top section of the canvas on the left, and on the left it's without the opaque medium, And on the right, I will apply it with the medium so we can see the difference with those two. I actually flipped the canvas when applying the blue because it was easier to paint since I'm using such a small canvas. It's dry now and you can see the opaque medium works really well and the colors of the acrylic paint are still vibrant and was not lightened very much. Since I flipped the canvas while painting, the side with the opaque medium is now on the left. I think it makes a big difference in a good way. Let me know down in the comment section what you think, and if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will include a link to where you can purchase this opaque medium in the info down below. Thank you so much for watching.